message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Hancock, Huron, Lucas, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte. High wind watch in effect from late Sunday night through Monday evening. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From late Sunday night through Monday evening. Impacts: damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.